Hey, what's going on, guys? We got another trade recap for today. Today's June 10th. We have another winning trade. Price action has been pretty smooth, pretty good recently, um, or at least for the start of the month for June. It's been pretty decent. But today was extremely textbook. This is one of like my favorite setups to trade. I'll get into that in a second with you guys. Before I head on, I just wanted to let you guys know my mentorship. There's a discount running right now, half off. So if you'd like to join up with me, live trade, all the good stuff, um, check that out in the description. And I hope to see you guys in there because we've been killing it recently, and I love to grow a little bit of more of a community when it comes to that side of bit business, I guess you want to call it. Um, but yeah, check it out if you're interested. If not, it's all good. But let's get into the recap of the day. All right, so I took this across some of my fundeds and some evals as well. So it was kind of like in the middle, in the mix. Um, this trade was extremely textbook, bias wise, and this was like the best open that I could have asked for, to be honest with you. So right off the bat, right, we look at the higher time frame narrative. We can see that. Actually, let me go to the daily first to show you guys. So obviously, we started to, retrace a little bit. We swept out uh, uh, these stacked lows. We tapped into this daily gap. We tapped into this daily gap as well. So we can kind of expect to see some type of reaction, right? Now also, I guess, you could use this wick as a rejection wick. Technically, because it was a wick that swept out a bunch of lows, tapped into a bunch of gaps, so it's a pretty solid, strong wick that you can expect a reaction out of with price. So pretty much, I kind of wanted to see us go higher here. Um, you could see kind of like if we zoom in a little bit, we ended up inversing this 30-minute before market open and all that stuff. I wanted to see, because we have stacked trendline liquidity right here. Honestly, I wanted to see the market go to at least this high today, and then we can continue dumping or whatever. But we had a pretty big leg down yesterday. It was like 800 points, I think, something a little more than 800 points, 1500. So I wanted to see price go up a little bit, right? Now I had this internal draw here. I had this draw. I had this draw. I had this. A lot of highs to target. Obviously, I just like to go for my little piece of the pie, right? Unless I'm given more. But you'll see at open, we have this 30-minute unmitigated gap right below that we form. I'll show you in a second. So we end up coming down here. So right here, boom. We actually get, I'll play it out a little more. Get a resweep into the 30-minute gap with this candle here. This is a 112 point candle displacement in our direction for the morning. Um, just based off this candle, I know a lot of continuation traders probably ended up just taking this trade alone, just based off the candle closure on this 1 minute time frame, as well as we inversed two 30-second gaps right here. And this is that gap I have marked out, right? Now for targets, off the rip, we have 930 wick. That's one of my favorite targets in the morning when we get like a Judas swing trade like this. And then we have that internal buy side. Now I could take the trade here and target my 1-to-1 or hold. I just chose to take the 1-to-1, right? Stop loss, I put it at the body because there's no need to put it at the wick in my opinion. And we end up playing, it plays right out, right? And then now we did end up going higher too. I don't know where market's at right now. See if the draw was right. And look at that. I called it out to a T, right? Right up to that high. After we sweep out this high, which was it was what is it? It's a 4 hour gap. That high counted as a 4 hour gap. So you could have actually taken a short off of this level right here, right on the resweep. Probably would have got stopped out on that first 4 minute trade, but again, if you took it, on the resweep, you could have entered short here. probably target what we had for the morning, those AM lows, right? And this will probably play out. But yeah, again, keeping it simple, guys, right? There's no need to target all of this, right? Unless you're super confident in the draw, but you just need a 1-to-1 every single day. You know, I didn't trade, I traded 5 micros here, so it was a little over 1,000 per account. Just with this little move right here, which ended up being 112 points. So again, that's all you need. You don't have to overcomplicate trading, overcomplicate your risk, all that stuff. Because again, these little moves will stack up very fast, especially if you have more than one funded account, right? You don't need to be making multiple thousands across your accounts every single day. 500 to 1,000 is the sweet spot per account, you know, every day or whatever winning trades you get. So yeah, that's really it for the morning. It's super simple. Just a little Judas swing, inversion, targeting the internal. That's it. And now I'm done for the day. I was done around 9:38 in the morning. That's like a 10-minute workday, I guess you want to call it. And yeah, so I will end it here, boys, and I will catch you guys hopefully tomorrow again for another winning trade, right? But yeah, peace out, stay safe, and catch you tomorrow, hopefully.